Alright, so now we're going to do another fundamental. This one is called Being Alive. And we're going to click on Life's Basic Needs over here, and this one, well, let it read it for you.
All life on Earth needs a few simple things to continue. We call these things basic needs. A basic need is something an organism needs to live and grow. Without meeting all of its basic needs, a plant or animal will die.
Alright, so what we have here is we have plants only, both plants and animals only. So we have light. Which one do you think needs just light or needs light? Is it all both of them, or just plants, or just animals? Let's try both. Oh, it's not both because it won't let. So let's try plants only. All right, good. How about shelter? Shelter is animals only. How about air? If you said that both of them need air, good job. How about minerals? Do animals need minerals? Well, some do, but that's mostly plants, I would believe. And then food. Plants don't need outside food, so that would be animals only. And then water. We know that both of them would need water, right? Awesome. Hope you did good on that. Let's go on. Now it says organisms often have parts or structures that help the organism meet its basic needs and stay alive. Drag the plant parts to their location on the plant. So point to where you think the leaves should go. If you said there, good job. Where is the flower? Where is the stem? We're doing good. And the roots? Roots get water and minerals from the soil. Let's click next. Now we have a bird. Looks like a hawk. Where would I put the eyes? Good. Where would I put the lungs? The wings? And the beak? Awesome. Click next to continue. Living things do things in response to signals. A signal that gets all organisms to respond is called a stimulus. This deer might give herself a signal that she needs water. That's an internal stimulus. It comes from inside the organism. Her response is to drink. An external stimulus is a signal that comes from outside the organism. A deer might hear a hunter in the woods. And what do you think a deer would do if it hears a hunter? It runs away. Now we have a bear next to a river. The bear is hungry. He needs food. Hunger is the stimulus. Click on the bear's response to hunger. Would he drink? Would he catch fish? Or would he sleep? If you said that, you're right. Oh, look, you got one. The bear responds to hunger by finding something to eat. Leaves on this plant are drooping. The plant needs water. Click on the plant's response to its need for water, and your choices are it grows larger leaves, it grows taller, it grows longer roots. Where does a plant get the water? If you said this one, congratulations, you're right. The plant needs water. The plant responds by growing roots long enough to reach water in the soil. This plant's leaves are pale. What does the plant need? Drag and drop the plant to one of the three locations in the room. Where do you think the plant would best survive? In a dark closet, on a table, or in the window? Plant would definitely survive best right there. We get more light. Look how the plant is now getting enough light. It responds by growing and looking healthy. What would the plant's response be to a grow lamp? Click the lamp and add the light. Adding the grow lamp does not help the plant grow. The plant is already getting enough light in the window. Plants and animals live in environments where they can easily meet their basic needs. They do this using their natural traits and behaviors. So let's hit home and we'll go and do the other one, cycles of life.
Both plants and animals have a life cycle with different stages. They have a beginning, they grow, they reproduce, finally, they die. Let's look at the life cycle of corn. Click on the seed stage. A corn plant starts with a corn kernel. The corn kernel is a seed. A corn kernel planted in the soil begins to grow. Soon it is a young plant called a seedling. As it gets older, the corn plant grows a thick stem called a stalk. The stalk helps support the quickly growing plant. As it matures, a corn plant can grow 3 centimeters each day until it becomes about 3 meters tall. Corn plants have separate female and male flowers. Pollen from one plant pollinates ears of corn on another plant to form new seeds. Now let's look at the life cycle of the garter snake. Click on the baby snake. When it is born, the baby garter snake is about 23 centimeters long. It takes care of itself from birth. The garter snake grows to be about 50 centimeters long. It eats worms, insects, and small fish. Mature garter snakes hibernate in the winter. Hundreds of snakes may hibernate in the same den. They wake up in spring and come outside to mate. Baby garter snakes do not hatch from eggs. They are born like mammals. A female snake gives birth to a litter of up to 30 baby snakes. A trait is something an organism or group of organisms have in common. Mammals have hair. Feathers are a trait of birds. Some traits are inherited. That means a young organism shares traits with its biological parents. The parents have passed traits on to their offspring. Like these horses, biological parents and offspring often look alike or very similar. Drag the correct young organism to its parent. Remember that offspring inherit traits from their biological parents. They should look similar.
So let's see if this is right. Nope. Does this one look like that? Not too much. That definitely is not right, the duckling. Let's try this one. It says bean seedling has inherited traits from its parent's plant. When it grows, it will look like the adult bean plant.
Drag the correct young organism to its parent.
So that's a tiger. Is that a tiger? No, that's a fish. That's a kitten. That's a puppy. Let's try that one.
Yes, the tiger cub has inherited many traits from its parents. When the cub grows, it will look like its parents. An offspring doesn't inherit all of its traits from one biological parent. You might inherit your hair color from one parent and eye color from the other parent. You've completed this topic. Click home to repeat this activity or to choose another.
All right, good.